Hi there, Luke here with another video. For those of you unfamiliar with our channel, my husband Tyler and I make weekly travel videos where we document our experiences since moving from North America to the UK. If you watched our last video, you'll know that we had just started our time in Spain, and in particular, the city of Barcelona. And in the last video, we talked about the top must-see attractions to see in Barcelona, particularly for those of you who maybe are in Barcelona for a shorter period of time. But in this video, I'm gonna switch gears a bit and focus more on the less touristed or maybe less popularly publicized tourist attractions of Barcelona that are certainly worthwhile visiting, particularly if you have a little bit more time in Barcelona like we had. So stay tuned in this video because I have lots of really cool places to check out that you may or may not know much about. The first site that I want to highlight is what is called Casa Vicens. And this is actually one of Antoni Gaudí's structures. For those of you who watched the last video, you probably heard me mention Antoni Gaudí quite a lot because many of the most notable tourist attractions in Barcelona do revolve around Antoni Gaudí and his architectural impact on the city of Barcelona. It's undeniable that he was probably the most influential person to the city of Barcelona and its legacy today. So if you are interested in the history of Antoni Gaudí and want to see some of his earlier works, then this is where Casa Vicens is worth checking out, because this was actually his first commissioned architectural work and is kind of an introduction to how he started with his works. So a worthwhile visit to check out for sure. Another spot that we found was very worth visiting in Barcelona, but may not be the most well-known or most well-publicized, is the stunning Palau de la Música Catalana. And this is probably one of our favorite attractions in all of Barcelona, believe it or not. One reason that we really enjoyed visiting here is its unique Modernista style. It is not a style that I typically associate with music concert halls, especially in Europe. And the reason why it is in this unique style is because it is done by the teacher of Antoni Gaudí. So you can check out this venue to really get a taste of how this modern architectural style in Barcelona started to form, and really cool to see how the teacher of Antoni Gaudí built this music hall, and then to see how Antoni Gaudí's works later on were possibly influenced by this Modernista style of architecture. So cool, and I couldn't get enough of it. The other reason I really enjoyed this spot is because they had an amazing hidden organist performance. So you get to enjoy this beautiful music where, at least in our case, we had practically no one there. So we got to enjoy basically this amazing music performance in this stunning hall with practically no one there. It was practically to ourselves. Another cool little small thing to check out is the Spanish Arc de Triomf, which, as you can tell from the name, if it sounds familiar to you, it is the familiar structure of the Arc de Triomf, similar to the one in Paris, but kind of a cool thing to check out in Barcelona as well. In our particular case, we decided to walk from the Spanish Arc de Triomf across the entire city to the formal Miramar Garden and taking in the panoramic viewpoints overlooking Barcelona. Another nice outdoor activity that we enjoyed in Barcelona was visiting the Parc de la Ciutadella. And this is a pretty outdoor area with some nice stairs, fountains, those types of things to enjoy, and a great place to just relax and unwind, enjoying the nice views around you. The final spot that I want to highlight is called the Hospital de la Santa Creu y Sant Pau. This is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that is recognized for its evolution from a medieval charitable hospital to a full-fledged modern hospital since its original founding almost 600 years ago. The building has an interesting history of providing healthcare to the poor well before the idea of universal healthcare was common practice. And this hospital was actually designed by the same Catalan architect who designed the Palau de la Música Catalana that I mentioned, Antoni Gaudí's teacher, and is a really beautiful architectural site to see, as well as, like I said, learning some of the history of how it functioned as a hospital over many years. All right, everyone, that is it for this video. I hope that I gave you lots of little insights over these last two videos about things that you can enjoy in Barcelona, both the famous top sites, must-sees, as well as the more hidden gems or lesser visited spots to check out, both equally valuable to make a well-rounded and amazing trip in Barcelona. I can't wait to come back to some of these places as well as check out some more. If you liked this video, be sure to leave us a comment, a like, and subscribe, as that really helps support this channel and keep it going. If you want to check out more videos about Spain, do stay tuned, because in the next video, we'll be taking you a little bit outside of Barcelona, and we'll be taking you to some of the other areas of Catalonia. Because a lot of people, when they visit Catalonia, they limit their time just to the city of Barcelona, but this is a mistake, because Catalonia is more than just Barcelona, and there's a lot of really fun, exciting things that I can't wait to show you about Catalonia in the next video. So stay tuned for that, and I can't wait to see you at the next one. Bye!